In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to navigate through the chapters with accessibility on, and then I'm going to swipe to chapter 4, swipe and double tap chapter. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to select the video tutorial for the swipe right and left lesson. So I'm on the chapter select page. I have accessibility on. I'm going to use right swipes to get to chapter 4.
Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, swipe and double tap.
Going to
Button.
double tap to select.
Double tap. Swipe and double tap.
Swipe and double tap is the name of this chapter. I'm going to right swipe until I find the lesson that I want, which is one finger swipe left, right.
Back. One finger swipe left, right. Button. Double tap to select.
I'm going to double tap to open it up.
Lesson 1. One finger swipe left, right. Button. Double tap to select.
That's the one that I want. I'm going to swipe right to start lesson.
Start lesson.
I'm
Button.
going to
double tap to select.
Let's double tap to select that.
Play.
One finger
Button.
left and right swipe.
Double tap to select.
In this lesson, the screen displays a rabbit standing on the rabbit hole. In a straight line to the right are 3 clovers. One finger swipe right and left will be used to move the rabbit to the next or previous space on the screen. Hover your hand over the iPad, then make a fist and extend an index finger. A swipe should be a very small movement. The finger should only move about an inch, and the hand should stay still. Swipe the index finger from left to right. A swipe should also be a very quick movement. If the index finger hesitates on the screen, it will be considered a tap gesture. Swipe right until you eat all the clovers and hear a thunk sound.
It looks like the rabbit ate all of the clovers. Swipe left to return home.
Swipe the index finger across the screen from right to left until you return to the rabbit hole and hear a thunk sound effect. For more information, please visit the one finger swipe help menu.
Double tap the screen with